Think you're the only one with a guardian? Even plants have their own guardians. We call it anti-nutrients for our convenience. These natural compounds in beans, seeds, nuts, and greens protect plants from predators, and even from us. Or have you ever wondered why our elders insist on soaking beans or almonds? It's ancient wisdom, now backed by science. Cooking isn't just skill, it's science. Today, on Viska, Sajagabhojan, we'll reveal how to unlock the hidden nutrition in everyday foods by understanding and respecting these plant defenses. Let's begin our journey into conscious eating. Meet Rajma, the warrior bean, packed with protein, iron, magnesium, and potassium. But raw Rajma hides its nutrients behind lectins and phytic acid, which can upset your gut and block mineral absorption. The solution? Soak Rajma for 12-24 hours to reduce phytic acid, then boil thoroughly to destroy lectins. Skip the slow cooker. Only high heat makes Rajma safe and nourishing. When you soak and cook Rajma right, you transform a tough defender into a generous source of strength. This is more than cooking. It's a respectful partnership with nature. Unlock Rajma's power and your body will thank you. That's the magic of mindful preparation. Chickpeas, or Channa, are protein and fiber powerhouses, rich in iron and folate. But they contain phytates and raffinose, which can block minerals and cause bloating. Soak Channa for at least 8 hours and discard the water to reduce gas-causing sugars. For even more nutrition, sprout soaked chickpeas for 2-3 days. This slashes phytic acid and boosts vitamins. Sprouting transforms Channa from a gassy bean to a nutrient booster. Treat chickpeas right, and they'll reward you with energy and vitality. It's all about preparation and respect. That's the secret to making Channa work for you. 1 soaked almond a day, an old tradition with real science behind it. Almonds are loaded with protein, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E, but their skin contains tannins and phytic acid, locking away nutrients. Soak almonds 8 to 12 hours to reduce bitterness and unlock nutrition. The skin peels off easily, showing the process works. You can eat them with or without the skin. Soaking is what matters. Lightly roast for extra flavor and digestibility. This simple act turns a tough nut into a powerhouse of energy and antioxidants. Listen to your elders. Soaking almonds is a key to better health. Respect the process and your body will benefit. Spinach is famous for iron and calcium, but oxalates in the leaves block these minerals from being absorbed. Oxalates bind with calcium and iron, making them unavailable, and can even contribute to kidney stones. The fix? Blanch spinach, boil for 1-2 minutes, then cool quickly and discard the water. This removes up to 80% of oxalates, making nutrients more available. Don't fear cooked spinach. Blanching unlocks its true power. With a simple step, you turn a guarded green into a nutritional ally. Cooking smart is the key to getting the most from your greens. That's conscious eating in action. Quinoa is a complete protein and fiber-rich supergrain, but its seeds are coated in bitter saponins. Saponins protect quinoa in nature, but can taste soapy and block nutrients for us. Always rinse quinoa under cold water for 2-3 minutes before cooking. Rub the grains to remove saponins. You'll see foam as the bitterness washes away. For extra care, soak quinoa for a couple of hours and discard the water. Proper prep transforms quinoa from bitter to delicious and nourishing. Honor this ancient grain, and it will nourish you in return. Preparation is everything. Next time you soak, sprout, or cook, remember, you're not just making food, you're unlocking nature's gifts. Anti-nutrients aren't villains. In small amounts, they can even protect us. Phytates act as antioxidants. Lectins may fight cancer. Tannins reduce bacteria, and saponins help cholesterol. Our kitchen is a place of science and tradition, a sacred space where food becomes wisdom. By preparing food mindfully, we honor both nature and our bodies. Share this knowledge. Let's replace fear with understanding. Tell us in the comments, which anti-nutrient fact surprised you most? Like, subscribe, and keep eating consciously with Viska Sajagabhojan. Thank you for joining me.